My client loves his son, but he fears the mother will be too strict. Life isn't just about reading and chores. What of bonding with games like GTA, PS, Mortal Kombat, and Need for Speed?
Everyone stand up for my Lord, George Lillian King, the protector of children, the speaker of truth, the coolest and smoothest George in Nigeria.
Thank you, Chinedu. Are you planning to be a rapper? Because you might be in the wrong career.
Oh, please. Oh, my Lord, please. I stand for you, my Lord. The court is now in session.
This is a continuation of the case of young David Obong. He is 5 and he loves Lego. He just lost a tooth, but I hope the tooth was not knocked out.
No, my Lord. It was a tooth fairy. 500 naira note was placed under his pillow. I wrote the report myself.
Good. At least someone is paying child support in this case. Welfare officer, you visited both homes. What did you find?
Yes, my lord. Miss Endo's house is safe and well organized. David does his own work, eats good food, and sleeps at 8 p.m. Mr. Kule's home is more relaxed. No bedtime story, video late into the night. He eats mainly snacks and drink, and he calls him Brother Kule.
No bedtime? That's no vibes. That's chaos, but go on.
David says he loves both parents, but he feels like a boss with his dad and like a small boy with his mother.
My lord, my client just wants her son to have a future, not to grow up thinking school is optional or have Coke and biscuits for breakfast.
My lord, my client loves his son, but he fears the mother will be too strict. Life isn't just about reading and chores. What of bonding with games like GTA, PS, Mortal Kombat, and Need for Speed?
This isn't about video game. Parenting is not about finishing him with soft drink. The law is clear. A child's best interest is about learning good behavior, emotional care, and safety, not just about having fun.
My lord, can we suggest a joint custody?
You may suggest it, but this is not Valentine's Day. We are giving you guidance, not roses. This court reminds both of you that children are not prizes to be fought over. They are not tools for revenge. A child's peace is more important than his pride. And here is my decision. Primary custody goes to the mother. Visiting rights goes to the father. Every weekend and one day during the week. No overnight visit unless the father proves that he can set bedtime and get real food. Vegetables, not meat and sweets. Both parents must attend the parenting alignment class with the Ministry of Youth and Social Development.
Parenting class? Do I have to?
Yes, except you prefer to explain to last man why they should not collect your next month's salary. This is not punishment, this is preparation.
Long live the Queen of Justice!
You buy him toys, but does he trust you? You fly in house, but does he fly free? Between PS5 and pepper soup, who's feeding his future? Not just his fun. He brings structure, you bring sweets. But this isn't a competition of threats. The court isn't clapping for parental shows. It's measuring love by who really knows. His bedtime, his fears, the books he reads, his growing pains and hidden needs. So pause. This isn't about who wins, it's about who he needs.